Welcome to the 60-second tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin in Canada fast and easy. Let's get started. First, head over to ChixX. Make sure to use the link in description for a referral bonus. The reason I stick to ChixX is because they are the crypto exchange with the lowest rates and instant payouts. Next, click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Enter your email and create a password. One great feature, no need to verify your email, saving you from those mundane extra steps. I don't know about you, but I'm a guy who values his time greatly and hates for it to be wasted verifying emails. After signing up, you'll see Buy Crypto at the top. Choose your preferred payment method. ChixX offers options like cash, Interac e-transfer in Canada, money orders, Zelle, Cash App, and more. For this example, let's use Interac e-transfer. Select Interac e-transfer, and the payment details will pop up. Once you've sent the payment, your Bitcoin will instantly show up in your account. It's that quick and simple. Finally, if you ever need help, ChixX has live support that answers almost instantly. It's always nice to have reliable support on hand. And that's it. You've just bought Bitcoin in under a minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.